Howdy all! Do you want to know how to make learning fun? Put on a funky hat. Oops. Giant buttons, main, stayed. Ugh. Play Snap by yourself. Snap! Woohoo! Pretend to be a spy and hide some words. Needle, garden, stayed, woohoo! Cut up some words. Now put the pieces back together to make the words. Try to read all the words till you get to the top. Stitch, buttons, main, sharp, climbed, woman, leaves. I got to the top. Shoo! Maybe that was too much fun. Hi children, are you ready for your lesson today? Catch Sense Education on Facebook and Instagram for more educational content.